told her you made the quiz.
Was it mine?
Oh, I got you that. I tried this so nothing's a joke.
Oh my god, give me a minute. Oh my god. Oh my gosh! Give me a minute, people. Oh, this one's mine. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
This one.
It's got a spoon!
Mm-hmm.
Get out my way. Give me a minute. Oh, I got you those bottles. I got you those. Oh my god. I got you those bottles. Oh my gosh, oh my god. Oh my god.
Where's my present for
Water.
Uh-huh. Now that, I made the bottle, but the moon water I made on the full moon with you and Ellie.
What? Wait, when?
Uh-huh, it was sneaky.
What the heck is this?
That's,
I got a wand.
and I thought we could make ones today as well with your friends if you want.
Oh, I said Ellie.
None get a one like mine.
No.
So sweet. Oh my god, a quill!
Sorry, I thought you were still being after the world.
Oh my gosh, it's smushed it, is it?
Yeah.
There's
That-
so many stuff.
That was the video that your friend Tia saw
Yeah,
me
Tia-
making.
Yeah, Tia said she's gonna make one, and if I know her, it's gonna be this one.
Mm-hmm. Well, she also saw the cloak.
Yeah, not long ago she was talking about how she loves sponge sticks and how she collects them. She's definitely gonna make this one. Oh my gosh, before we get into anything else, where's my father?
I'll go get Daddy, okay?
Yes.
Alright. Stay
I'm
there.
looking at.
Mom made you a cauldron.
No, you didn't make that. You're
I
kidding.
did.
You're kidding.
Well, I had the pot,
No, you're
but it
kidding.
was just brown and it didn't have a lid.
You're kidding. Are you
No.
actually? Are you? No.
Mm-hmm.
You are just.
Nope.
That is so cool. Hi, I love it.
I'm so glad.
It's a tiny spoon.
Mm-hmm.
I've got pots. I've got so many. Oh my. Yeah. Hi, Dad.
Hello.
I've got a new teacup.
Ja.
Can I have another tea?
Of course you may have another tea.
Oh! What the heckaroonie? Heckaroonie! Hecker...
Your Julia. Remember that you could enjoy that?
Yeah!
You find something to us.
Oh my gosh, she is so cute!
You can use as a play.
She's actually really cute. I love her hair. She's got a new. Thank you, sister. You put all of them. She's really cute. Now I can put my necklace on her.
Yes, you can.
Bracelet. I'm gonna. You can sit here. If you take my she's going to meet all my other haunted teddies. Vanilla coconut sugar body scrub. I got lots of coconut. Did she buy these by herself?
Yes.
Hey. When did it? Oh, that's sweet. It's
Not
sweet. Epsom salt.
Uh-huh.
Bombs.
Epsom salts are used in magic and
I'm
dispensing.
gonna use this in my next bar. You know I love myself my bars. I
Uh-huh.
really love my bars. Anyway, I've got so much stuff. What's going
Do
on?
you want to put all your stuff on that table? I'll grab the bag.
Oh! Coconut face mask. Thank you.
Mhm.
Oh, thank you, sis. That is cute. That is pretty cute. Thank you very much, sister. I'll pick this one. Oh, let's have a little bit here. What the heck? They're Hunana Tutu. They're Hunana Tutu. Wait, no, they're more.
Yeah.
No, I can like candles. And I've got red, I've got orange, I've got white, and I've got black, and I've got purple, and I've got green.
Mhm. And what's the other thing?
It's to put the candle in.
It is.
I'll just explain.
It's the triple goddess side.
So cool! So excited to light these tonight. I'm lighting it. And I'm also staying up till tomorrow.
Are you now?
Yeah, that's going to be my fault anyway, because I'm trying to So far, so good. Wow, this one feels like nothing. What? Almost dropped you. Oh my god.
Well, you wanted light
Yes,
and
now
you
we
wanted
can
ivy, so
Now we can decorate.
you got both in your.
I can decorate.
Okay.
Gosh, there's so much to do. It's so cute. I get to pick, but I'm going to pick that one. Okay. Ow.
You're right.
Almost love.
Hey, Froggy, Froggy.
Okay. Have any? Oh, you really doubled this one up, didn't you? We're trying to play a joke on me. No, we wanted it to be perfect. Head case design.
Open it.
1 second. Wait, I have an idea of what it is. Oh my Mia! I put these. Here's what these contacts too.
Yeah.
Oh my god. 2 contacts in it. You can pick that. She looks like the girl in my book.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I love her. Somebody made me Victoria. Hello, Victoria. No! Give me a minute. Give me a minute, people. Wait, look. Shadow 100. Protection. it did have this on it. I asked for this 2 years ago.
You did. And I couldn't get it to you this
Because
day.
it was out.
Uh-huh.
Oh my, I can't believe you actually remembered. That was like the number thing I wanted for Christmas that year. And now I have it.
Uh-huh, you do.
I guess I can't complain anymore. I can never complain again. Just the fact that you even remembered, I can't complain.
I'll put the laces in.
Just that. Stop. Let's finish. Stop. Crystals! Oh my god. Tiny version.
It's that collection that came out underneath and then he just
It's
came up
called
later.
selenite.
He was trying to lie down, he was trying to walk into the kitchen, but then he had to wait till he just popped it.
That one I think put in four. Let me have a check. It doesn't tell me. Okay,
No.
I'm gonna guess
It's Angel Aura clear quartz,
Oh!
rose quartz, selenite, and black tourmaline.
Oh!
So healing, cleansing, warding.
Lots of different crystals. What is this one? Oracle.
That.
Tarot cards.
Oh!
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Can you please hold this?
What's it again?
Yep.
Oh, a pendulum! I did not see this.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
It's a purple and black one. Now I can
You're
get
the
yours
best.
back.
And an amethyst pendulum. Yeah.
Oh, it's so pretty!
You are happy? Oh,
Dad,
glad.
Dad, please hold it. Sorry.
It's a little one.
Dad, look at this. It's
Thank you, my little one.
pretty.
Oh, wow, that is really nice.
Oh, that will open itself. Stay away. That's all I'm gonna say. It's white sage, jasmine. Jasmine's my favorite. Sandalwood, white rose, lavender, vanilla. Vanilla, mother. Okay, this is the last one.
This.
Oh, kitties!
Uh-huh.
How did I not even notice those? Wait, what are they? What kind of kitties are they? So cute. Pass me the ending. Whoop. Oh, what is this? No! 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 Yes! Oh my god! No! I'm going to put this. I'll be back. No, seriously, I'll be back.
Yeah.
A witch school. Yes, a witch school.
Uh-huh. Yes.
I
She's just
needed
gonna
this
go with.
2 days ago. Why did? Oh my god.
Uh-huh.
I have the. What is this rose? Berry. Rosemary berry. Cherry bark. Okay, that's a thing.
What's this?
Have a look at the pepper. It's a thing. It's a thing. Oh, nice.
You do.
Oh my god, strawberry.
Uh-huh.
My favorite.